Okay, this video will help you with your math pages 555, 556, and then tomorrow's pages 557 and 558. So we're going to learn how to answer questions about bar graphs. So I used the graph on page 556. I'm going to look at their tally chart and then I'm going to turn it into a bar graph, and then I'll answer the questions on my board. So to start, chocolate received 7 votes. Now this bar graph is a little different because it's vertical. It goes up and down. So 7 votes, chocolate. I'm going to color up instead of sideways. I'm going all the way to 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. And just like before, the coloring goes to the number of votes. So my coloring stopped at 7, so chocolate received 7 votes. Vanilla, the tally chart says 3. So I'm going to color 3 going up. 1, 2, 3. And if I put my finger on the line, I see that it matches to the 3. Strawberry received 5 votes. So I'll color 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to check to make sure it matches. Yes, it does. And then finally, mint received 6 votes. So I'm going to color 6 boxes for mint. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so we see that chocolate goes up the highest. So most people said that chocolate was their favorite flavor of ice cream. Okay, now I'm going to look at my first question, which is the same question as on your worksheet. So the flavor with the least votes. Remember, least means the smallest number. So we can look at our chart and we see that vanilla has the least amount of boxes colored. It only goes to 3. So vanilla received the least. Number 2, chocolate received 2 more votes than what? So we have to look at chocolate. Chocolate received 7. Okay, now we have to look at our other flavors and decide which one of those got 2 less than chocolate. So strawberry got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to think, is 5 2 less than 7? Well, 5, I'm going to count up, 6, 7. Yes, it is. But I'm going to double check with mint. Mint got 6. And I'm going to count up 6, 7. That's only 1 less. So my answer, strawberry got 5, which is 2 less than 7. So strawberry. And number 3, what 2 flavors received 11 votes? So I'm going to have to kind of guess and then check my answers. So I'm going to guess that chocolate and vanilla got 11. And I need to count to make sure. So chocolate got 7 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I know it's not chocolate and vanilla because it did not reach 11 votes. Okay, now I'm going to try strawberry and mint and see if I get to 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So strawberry and mint are the 2 flavors that had 11 votes. And